Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Hello fashion enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting video on Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the world of oversized summer outfits part 1. Perfect for styling, staying cool and looking effortlessly chic during the hot summer months. Oversized outfits are a trend that combines comfort with style. From flowy dresses to baggy trousers, we will explore a variety of looks that are perfect for any summer occasion. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by the latest in oversized summer fashion. Embracing the oversized trend. Oversized clothing has been a significant trend in the fashion world, and summer is the perfect season to embrace it. The key to pulling off this look is to balance the oversized pieces with more fitted items or to accessorize thoughtfully to avoid looking swallowed by your outfit. Whether you are heading to the beach, a casual brunch, or an even a summer evening event, or oversized outfits can be tailored or suit any occasion. The versatility of oversized shirts. Let's start with oversized shirts. These are incredibly versatile and can be styled in numerous ways. For relaxed beach look, pair a light oversized linen shirt with denim shorts. Leave the shirt unbuttoned over a bikini top for a casual yet stylish vibe. You can also tie the front of the shirt to create a cropped effect, adding a touch of structure to the outfit. For a more polished look, an oversized white shirt can be paired with slim fit trousers or even belted at the waist to create a defined silhouette. Add a pair of strappy sandals and a wide brimmed hat for a chic summer ensemble that works for a day out in the city or a casual evening dinner. Oversized maxi dresses are another summer staple. These dresses are not only comfortable but also incredibly flattering. Look for dresses with interesting patterns or bold colors to make a statement. Floral prints, geometric patterns, or even solid bright colors can add a fun element to your summer wardrobe. To avoid looking too casual, accessorize with a statement belt to pinch the waist and add definition. Pair the dress with some lucky chunky jewelry and a pair of espadrilles or wedges to elevate the look. Maxi dresses are perfect for summer garden parties, picnics, or even casual work days. Next up, let's talk about baggy trousers. Wide leg and palazzo trousers are excellent choices for summer as they allow for airflow and keep you cool. Pair high-waisted baggy trousers with a fitty crop top to balance the volume. This creates a flattering silhouette and highlights your waist. For a more bohemian look, choose baggy trousers with a bold print or in a lightweight fabric like chiffon. Pair these with a simple tank top or bralette and add some layered necklaces to complete the look. Comfortable and stylish, these trousers can take you from a day of shopping to a casual evening gathering with ease. Oversized blazers are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to any summer outfit. They can be thrown over a simple dress or paired with shorts and a tank top for a more structured look. For a casual yet put together outfit, pair an oversized blazer with denim shorts and a graphic tee. Add some white sneakers and a crossbody bag, and you are ready to go. We hope this video has inspired you to experiment with oversized summer outfits and make the most of this versatile trend. Stay tuned for more fashion tips and inspiration from Luna Fashion and Beauty. Until next time, stay stylish and embrace the oversized trend with confidence.